Good afternoon, traders. Today is Friday at 2:28, and I'm looking at the minis right here. Basically, we've been in a tight range over the past half hour to 45 minutes. We had large moves throughout the day, as you can see. A very nice downtrend. Every time we rallied up, we put in lower highs and lower lows. Right here, I kind of feel like we're going higher, but I'm not convinced. Until we hold over 1311 intraday, I'm not going to even anticipate a long. Why do I look at 1311? Okay, so that is the high from the first 5-minute bar, which is right here. And that's the strategy. You got to get a confirmed close over it. Then the next candle, you start accumulating shares. Alright, so that was really boring. I'm looking at crude oil right now. I'll take a long on crude. 5 contracts. Okay, I bid in at 56. My stop's right under this 5-minute bar. 10-cent stop on crude. This is just a scalp trade. Alright, so obviously we have some confirmed lower highs in here. But as for short term, check this out. That's 3 higher lows. If you're a trend watcher like I am, then this is what you look for. Alright, so I'm just going to try to get rid of it at 62. I only need 6 cents, and then I'll move on to something else. Looks like the market's still flirting with that 1311. We just poked our head over it. You know, crude and the markets usually trade in tandem. Come on, 2 more cents. There we go. Got filled there. That's a nice little scalp. Alright, so I think I'm just going to sit on my hands regarding the ES right now. I need a lot more volatility to get involved. Looking at Amazon here. Might not be a bad time to take a long, but I'm not going to chase it. My order would be probably around 17, so I missed out on that one. Alright, so Mosaic could test highs. 56.84 is the high. We're at 75. You know what? I'm probably going to bid in. I want to see some 77s print. I'll come back to Mosaic. I think if it takes out highs, you'll get a more aggressive move, but as of right now, it's just moving really slow. Check this out, trader. 1738 on gold bullion. After Bernanke came out, gold shot up like here. I don't know the exact figure, but it was like astronomical. Okay. Check this out. This is when he came out. Gold was at, what was it, 1650, and it looked like we were going to roll over. I was slightly bearish on him once we traded up to the channel and then got below it. So I was bearish during this move, and I was just sitting on my hands when Bernanke came out and said that stuff about not raising rates. Dollar tanked, gold went up. That's usually what happens. Market went up. So 1650 and 1740, 90 point move in 2 days. That's just ridiculous. Our currency is worth nothing. Oh, so Amazon got that bounce, look, but it never came back down to that 17. Alright, so here we have the CLF gap down today, and you know our strategy is first 5-minute bar. Check it out. Go ahead after you get your close, which was right here, put your stop right here. Rest of the day, huge up move. Now you're to the point where we didn't fully fill the gap, roughly a 60% retracement, and now we're moving back down. Tell me this doesn't look just like yesterday's move in the ES. Alright, 5-minute bar just printed. Here we go. Usually I'll take a long on trades like this. I bought it at market price, was at 84. And my stop is obviously at around 74, 75. So I'm just trying to scalp this. I only got long 500. I wish I would have got long more. 84. Okay, here's my chance. I'll put a bid out there at 83. Doubt I'll get hit. Okay, they filled me good. 1,000 shares long. I want 7 cents out of it. I think I deserve that. Go ahead and put my order out there at 91 just in case they try to wick it up. Alright, we're at 88. 89's printing good. 2 more cents. Alright, I'm pausing it in between a little bit because I don't want to run this video too long. I feel bad for you because I don't edit videos. I don't know how to do it. So this is all non-editing. If I take a loss, then you'll know it. A lot of people only put out their winners. I feel that you learn just as much from losing as you do winning. And I mean, you could watch the order flow on your own time and sales. You don't need to see mine. All you need to know is why I got in the position, where my target is, why my target's here, and what's my intuition going into this trade. There we go. We got filled at 91. All right. How about that Amazon Go? Looking good. Let's look at, go back to the market. We traded, got a little bounce, but nothing great. Nothing worth taking my interest. Looking at Chevron, and it's another case. Check this out. We had the gap down just like CLF, and right now 103, I'll give you the exact level, 103.89 is the 50% line between the high and the low of the day. That's why we see a little bit of resistance, or excuse me, support right here. Alright, new 5-minute bar print's good. Are we going to go straight up? If we do, I'm going to have to get long. Alright, I'm going to try to get long at 99. Alright, they filled me at 99, 500 shares. If I get filled at 96, I'm going to try. Alright, I guess they're not going to fill me at 96. Okay, I got my fill at 96, long 1,000 shares from 103.98, we'll call it. It has to hold above 91. If I see 189 print, I'm out. Alright. Looks like this is going to be a losing trade. Alright, so we never printed 89s. I'm very surprised. We're flirting with it. We really have to get past 102. If we get 104 prints, I'll be golden. 104.04, I mean. Again, right around the round number. Alright, there we go. 104 print. Go ahead and look to start selling soon. Try to sell it at 104.07. Get up there. I want to see fives. There we go. We got a 5. Come on. You know what? I'm going to try to sell 500 right here. I'll put a 500 out at 01. Okay, they did fill me at 01. I just want to reduce some risk. The worst thing in the world is having a decent sized gain. I'm talking about even $20. Take something off if you think it's going to come back. If the market's moving down, or if it's a bearish stock and you're going from a contrarian bias, just reduce your risk. I mean, the thing why most traders lose is risk. That's it. You could know that this rally is going to happen, but if you don't have the proper risk and get in at the right timing, you're not going to make money. Alright, I think this is going to be a scratch trade. Trying to get rid of the rest of it at 104. Alright, I got filled. $25. This video is running long. I'm about to cut it short. I'm going to look for one more trade. JCPenney, wow, ever since Roy Johnson did that investor conference and put together a business model that actually seems like it's going to work. The stock's been great. Look at the last 2 days. Check this out. Amazing. 34.36, now we're up to 41.86, breaking out new 52-week highs here, traders. I can't get involved with this. I wish I could. I truly love earnings season. I love everything about this business. Just to invest in a company when it's doing poorly and to take that chance to call that bottom, and then to see the company progress and read the news clippings and confirm that you were actually right and your homework paid off, and then going into the quarter they blow away estimates like a Netflix, for example. It's a feeling that's like nothing else. The euphoria you get from doing all this hard work and actually having it pay off, it's kind of like going to the gym or cooking an amazing meal and following the recipe a few times and doing it on your own. Alright, I'm watching this Amazon. I might take a short on it. If I see 72's print, I'll go ahead and put my order out there right at 72. I never do a market order unless it's in a dire situation. I'd rather go ahead and put my limit order out there and try to get some liquidity, ECN rebates. Okay, here we go. Short of 77. I'll try to cover a 67. Very tight stop here in this play. Stops at 86. All right, 71s. Cool, got filled. That's it, traders. I'm ending it. Hope you learned something off this video.